Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been long, but I'd like to thank you so much for the subscribers. Thank you for the support, and please don't forget to hit the sub button for more videos like this. If you want videos about cooking recipes, juices, this is your channel to be. And today we're going to make our soursop juice, and you only need 2 ingredients. You only need the soursop, and in Uganda that's called the chitafeli, and jinga, only that, and then a little bit of water, and your juice will be ready in like 2 minutes. So we're going to put our soursop and jinga into the blender. First we put in our jinga, raw jinga, into the blender, and then we put in the soursop in, as you can see, and then we're going to pour some water in. Like this. Yeah. And then we're going to blend this mix, as you can see. Yeah, so after blending our soursop juice, it's ready. So right now we're going to sieve it, as you can see, in a sieve. It will be ready. Alright, so this is our ready soursop juice, as you can see. In just 2 minutes you have your ready soursop juice. It's so yummy and tasty. And now you're going to transfer it to a jar. This is our ready soursop juice and transferred to a jar, as you can see, and it's ready to drink. Just sip. Very healthy. It has very many health benefits. One of it is cancer. It cures cancer. Yeah, it's a very healthy juice, so try it at home and give me your comments. Please don't forget to hit the sub button for more videos like this.